Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to make this popcorn stitch like flower, or you can do whatever you want. um this is a popcorn stitch and this is like flat in the back. Okay, yeah, I run out of yarn. I want to make it bigger, but I ran out of yarn. Okay, so with this one I will show you. Okay, I am going to use a red one for this tutorial. Okay, so any yarn will be okay, and I will be using my 4mm hook. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start making a slip knot, and chain 2, and then from here we are going to single crochet in the first chain. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so after that we are going to slip stitch. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we are going to do a slip stitch. Okay, so from here we are going to make this popcorn stitch. So chain 3, and we are going to put 4 more, okay, double crochet in the same stitch. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and wait. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have a chain 3, count as 1 double crochet and then 4 more double crochet. Okay, so we are okay. Then after that, okay, so we have here 1, 2, 3. We are going to insert our hook there, here, and there, and we're just going to pull that, okay, and then pull it through. Okay, then we are going to chain 1, okay, just to close that off, and we are going to do the same thing into the next stitch. Okay, so 5 double crochet into the same stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so after that we are going back to the first double crochet. On the top of that, insert your hook there, and then go back to the last stitch, okay, and then pull that through. Okay, so that is how we made it. And then just chain 1, okay, and we are going to go into the next. So 5 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going back to the first, okay, and insert there, pull it tight and pull it through. Okay, so then chain 1, and we're just going to continue that, okay, all around. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then, okay, insert there, pull and pull through, chain 1, okay, and continue, okay, and finish that, and I will meet you back up when I finish mine. Okay, so I am finished. I am just going to chain 1, okay, and then at the back, okay, so I am going to do a slip stitch, okay, to finish this off. So as you can see, okay, we are starting a very, very cute. Okay, so we are going to start in the second row. Okay, so chain 3 and then into this space, okay, we are going to put 1 popcorn stitch, so 5 double crochet, okay, and into the first top of the 3 chain we're going to make our first popcorn stitch, and then chain 1, okay. So in the next one, okay, we are going to make our first popcorn stitch, okay. So 5, insert and insert, okay. So we have chain 1, okay. In the same stitch we are going to add, okay, 1 more popcorn stitch, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and then chain 1, okay. So every space, okay, so every space of our popcorn we are going to put 2 double crochet, 2 popcorn stitch, sorry, 2 popcorn stitch. It's just we are like working on the circle, okay. So how we work on the circle, we will be doing the same, okay. So if we're working like single crochet, double crochet, okay, we're putting 2 here, okay. So we are going to do the same thing, okay. So this space here, as you can see there, we are going to put 2 popcorn stitch, okay, 4 and 5, okay. So 1 popcorn stitch, okay, chain 1 and 1 more popcorn stitch, 4, I think 5, okay. Okay, just make sure that, okay, you're getting the right, okay. So there is our space one, okay. You're inserting it to the right spot, okay, and then chain one. Okay, so every popcorn stitch, after you finish popcorn stitch, and then you will be chaining one. Okay, so continue doing that, okay, all around, and I'll meet you back up. Okay guys, so I have done my second row. Okay, so for this one, okay, that is the size, and this one I have 3 rows here. So if you're going to continue 3 rows, okay, I will be showing you. It's just the same as you're making a circle. Okay, so with this one, okay, chain 3, okay, and then you're going to put one popcorn here, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Then we're making a popcorn, oops, no, oh no, so there. Okay, so 1 2 3, then pull up. Okay, then here, okay, we are going to make two popcorn stitch. So one, chain one, and then one popcorn stitch in the same space. 3 4 and 5. Okay, so we have here, and then chain one, and then to the next one we are going to put one popcorn stitch. Okay, so 1 2 1 2, okay, all around. 5. Okay, and then after that, okay, so here in the next one is you're going to put 2 of these. Okay, so what we're going to do is, when you're making a circle, okay, and the first is you have 8, okay, and the second you have 2 popcorn in each space, okay, you're increasing, and then the third, okay, 2 1 or 1 2 1 2, okay, and then after that 2 1 1 2 1 1 2. Okay, so thank you very much guys for watching the video, and thank you guys for all my supporters who subscribe into my channel, and hopefully you like this video. If you do and you haven't subscribed yet, if you do like to subscribe, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you will get notified every time I will post a video. Okay, thank you very much guys, and until to the next video, bye.